What are you guys doing? Are you playing with the trash can? So, I put a video or a picture on my Facebook a few days ago of Baby, that's the fat Amazon in the trash can, playing with the trash can. So I took the top off, stuck it on the ground, and I have the perfect toy to entertain these two. So when I'm cleaning the bird room or doing things in here and I want to keep them busy, this is what we do. And it offers actually hours of entertainment for these two. It's pretty funny, so I thought I would share it. What are you guys doing? Huh? Are you gonna go back in there? What you doing? Huh? How do you open it, Puffy? Can you press the button? Is the button over here? Can you press it? Good. Very good. You gotta press the button. Hit the button. Hit the button. Good. Do you love Baby, Puffy? Oh! Where's Baby? Hit the button. Good boy. Good boy. Oh. I've got my crows over there. Ooh. Hi, boo-boo. Oh. Okay. That's it. I thought I would show you. These two crack me up. Have a good night, everyone.